Good day everyone, I am Trisha Mesihatayna and in this video, we are going to tackle one of the fundamental laws in fluid mechanics, Charles' law. Charles' law was named after Jacques Charles, a French physicist. This law states that the volume of the gas is directly proportional to its temperature, assuming that the pressure remains constant. In simpler terms, when the volume of the gas increases, the temperature of the gas also increases. And when the volume of the gas decreases, then the temperature also decreases. This law is the principle behind how hot air balloon rises. When the air in the hot air balloon is heated, the gas expands, increasing the balloon's volume. This decreases its density, causing the hot air balloon to rise in the air. Charles' law can be represented by the formula B1 over T1 is equals to B2 over T2, where B1 is the initial volume, T1 is the initial temperature, B2 is the final volume, and T2 is the final temperature. Now let's show you a problem involving Charles' law. So we have here our sample problem. Suppose we have a gas at a temperature of 300 Kelvin occupying a volume of 2 liters. If we heat the gas at 600 Kelvin, what will be the new volume provided that the pressure remain constant? So in this problem, we have 300 Kelvin as our initial temperature, 2 liters as our initial volume, and 600 Kelvin as our final temperature. So we don't have here a final volume since it is the one we need to find out. So in order to find the new volume, we will use the formula B1 over T1 is equals to B2 over T2. Using this, we can derive the formula to find B2. So, cross multiply B1 times T2 is equals to B2 times T1 times. We will divide both sides by T1 to cancel out the T1 here. So, cancel. Now we have the formula B2 is equals to B1 times T2 over T1. This will now the formula that we are going to use. So let's substitute the given. B1 is 2 liters, T2 is 600 Kelvin, T1 is 300 Kelvin. Cancel out, we have 2 times 600 is equals to 1,200 liters over 300. The new volume would be 4 liters. So, that's a brief overview of Charles' law. Keep exploring the wonder of science. Thank you for watching.